Hello students, let's continue with the same topic, lines and angles. So till now we have done about point, line, ray, line segment and plane. Let's go through once again. Here you have a single dot. A single dot marked with a sharp pencil is called a point. Point is a location. For example, we can say sun is a point. And when from this point you join with many points. See, we have taken many points. When you join infinitely many points, what you get? We get a line. And in a line, when you take any one point, you cut this line at a single point. What you get? You got two rays opposite to each other. Why opposite to each other? Because if this is the initial point of the ray, let it be taken as A, and here we take another point B, it will be ray AB, and if you take here C, it will be ray AC. Ray AB is going from A to B and ray AC is going from A to C. So what is ray? Ray is also a part of a line. Then we had done line segment. For line segment, on a line, let this is a line, and here you have taken any 2 points on a line. So line segment is a part of a line. On a line you have taken any 2 points A and B. Now see, what is this AB? This part we have taken. What is this AB? 2 endpoints are there. Let A be the initial point, B is the ending point. So AB is called line segment AB. We denote it as line segment AB. We denote a ray as this, and we denote a line as line AB, or you can name it as line L, any small letter. Okay. So next we have done plane. How we get a plane? When you join infinitely many lines. When you join infinitely many lines, we get a flat surface. This flat surface is called a plane. So let us go through some examples. Point. Let sun be a point. From this point, rays are coming to the earth. So sun rays. Sunlight goes to the earth in the form of rays. For a line segment, you can take any sides, edges. Let you have your book. See the side of your book. It is having some length. The side, length, breadth, these are called line segment. Because if this is your book, this starting from here up to this point, this edge of the book, side of your book is called its line segment or length. Then line, you can know, usually we call railway lines, railway tracks. For the railway tracks, the sides are called as lines. This is also a good example of line. Now we are going to go through some properties of lines and points in a plane. First of all, we have concurrent lines. What are concurrent lines? When more than three or more than three lines pass through the same point. 3 or more than 3 lines pass through the same point. See here, line L, M, N, O. Many lines you can take. Infinitely many lines, they are passing through the same point. Then these lines are called concurrent lines. And this point is known as point of concurrence. And when the lines are not passing through the same point, see here, 2 lines L and M are passing through a point A. Here it is another point B. Here it is another point C. Many lines are there, but point of intersection is also not same. There are many points. So these are non-concurrent line. When point of intersection of many lines is the same, it is called concurrent lines. When the lines are not passing through a single point, they are called non-concurrent lines. Next we have intersecting lines that you already know. Here we take 2 lines. 2 lines may be intersecting to each other or not intersecting to each other. Intersecting lines means they are cutting each other at a single point. See, when the lines are not cutting each other. Here we have taken intersecting lines. Clearly you can see they are cutting each other. These 2 lines, as they are lines, they will also be extended, and at some point they will surely meet. So here they are called intersecting lines. Why we have produced it? Because here you see the distance between the lines is more than smaller. More smaller. It is decreasing. When the distance is decreasing, the lines will meet at some point and they will make intersecting lines. When the distance between two lines is same, here you see the distance, same distance, again same distance. When the distance between two lines L and M is same, the lines are called parallel lines. As you see sides of a ladder, they are parallel to each other. Next we have collinear points. What about collinear? See, co-linear. It means they have a common line. When three or more than 3 points lie on the same line. See, L is a line, A, B and C, they lie on the same line. So they are called collinear points. When the points A, B and C, they don't lie on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. So students, it's all about points, lines that we have done. So must go through the definitions carefully, read them thoroughly, note down in your notebook and then learn the definitions as well as the properties. Thank you. God bless you.